Hey YouTubers, Hike with Mike here, of course. There's a storm coming. I can hear the thunder, the sounds of nature. I can feel the wind. All these natural feelings and sensations that are great. But I've noticed it's getting harder and harder when you go out in the woods and you try to be as isolated as you can. It's hard to escape from what I call the intrusions or the sounds of society. Whether it's a prop plane, a jet airliner, highway traffic, noise, just in the distance of human activity. It just ruins the whole vibe of getting away from all that nonsense, you know. Those intrusions of the sounds of society are horrible. I don't mind the sounds I'm hearing right now. I love the wind on my skin and the thunder in the distance and a little bit of drizzle that's beginning. That's all natural, that's okay. But when you want to get away, you don't want to have any intrusions. Prop jets, helicopters, jet airliners, traffic in the distance, just noises, boats, things like that. You know, it'd be nice to have a place where there's like a no human sounds allowed sign, you know, where it's just all natural and you can just take it all in. Because sometimes those intrusions of the sounds of the quote-unquote society kind of ruin the vibe of being out in the woods and getting to escape and enjoy the wilderness the way it should be enjoyed, not with noises. Generators is another noise, you know, that just, you know, there should be wild places that stay wild, and there should be a sign, no human noise is allowed. But there's a storm a-coming, and that means lightnings. Probably need to head in big time because July is the worst time for lightning in Florida. So I'm gonna head in, but just remember it's sad that we have those intrusions of the sounds of quote-unquote society that ruin the wilderness.